decided you'd do it for $15, is it, the whole trolley?
It's the whole trolley is $15. Right to the other end of the train.
To the other
Right
end
to the far end of the train.
But he's got a trolley and we need it. All sorted out. Got a trolley. Le porter. Gonna do a bondage number. In downtown Moscow. He's gonna squeeze past here.
What we feel? What about the feel? What you think?
The jam of the trolleys here.
Саша, надо вот этим как-то обойти.
Come on, dear wants to pass here.
За папой. Иди, Саша. Обгони.
Go for it, go for it, go for it.
Пусть они проедут. Поехали здесь.
You're coming second now.
Yeah.
You better go faster. Oh, I'll tell you, it's the jewel of the trolleys here. Get your refreshments here before you're bored.
It's a notorious long train.
Going on forever. Excellent. In case you want a bottle of beer or vodka, you get it from that guy over there. And old man's done a blinding job.